Okay, guys. Sorry for not showing the items up close for you guys, but this is part 2, so I'm gonna kind of show them to you up close.
And while she's doing that, I'll be getting ready our video that our movie that we're gonna do.
Okay. So here is the strawberries. Open up that kernel. And there's little. Oh. Okay. Let me see it. Okay. And then it comes with 3 strawberries. I mentioned that in my last video. An orange.
Oh, he's so cute.
Our sardines. Our fruit cocktail. Our 2 corns. Our bread. Our 3 other kinds of bread. Braided. Regular bread. And then croissant. 2 pears.
Come back soon.
Sorry, guys. I don't know what this thing's called. Y'all can tell me down below.
We're gonna call it an egg roll.
No, we're not. Like an egg roll. 2 tomatoes. 3 of these like orange slices. A banana.
Are these the things that you've already done?
No.
If you've already done, come back on.
Okay. 2 little donuts.
Go back in the basket.
2 lemons. A potato. Little holes everywhere and bumps and everything. 3 grapes, 2 greens, and a
Hey, we're calling this bull bread.
Oh, hold on.
We're calling this bull croissant.
Purple grapes, I'm sorry. A pineapple. That's all the way.
Pineapple?
Pineapple.
I thought you said pineapple.
It has little ridges and it's really cool. And watermelon slice. And let me go get the cereal boxes and everything.
They're in here. Yeah.
Okay. Because hot oatmeal. Hot oatmeal. Fire. I cannot speak today. 3 strawberry shortcake boxes. And I'll show you the details. Chocolate nuts. And of
Over
course,
here, our cereal and
the
basket.
orange basket with the white handles. And thanks guys for watching. Bye.